用叉子吗？哎，我们拿叉子。
哦，我红色的。
不是。
一直没有粉红色，因为有一次小没有粉红色的。
这个小标哦，没有。妹妹要迷你的吗？
Okay, Albert. You can choose your one now.
I want this one.
Hey, don't get on here. Don't get on here. Put it down.
Roll up your sleeve.
Roll up your sleeves. There you go.
Can I? I want this one. 爷爷，
我会拿。
拿。
来，来。
你是老板。哇塞，有人这样吃杯子蛋糕。然后有人这样整个插起来。你看姐姐怎么吃？Aliya是这样拿着。
Okay, let me get this one. Oh, this one looks good.
你看姐姐
I
怎
got
么
the
吃？
purple one too. Oh, this frosting is really good.
啊
Albert, who made the frosting?
I did.
How come you're not in the video, Albert?
Oh, I did. How come you're not?
That was really sweet too.
What?
Oh,
How
sweet.
come you're not? How about
Natural.
you that bee? That tastes very good.
What's in the cream? What's in the frosting?
We have strawberry. What is called strawberry? Strawberry. The strawberry jam or something.
Puree.
The strawberry puree. Butter. Sugar dust. Flour dust. Sugar
Sugar
dust.
powder.
Sugar powder.
Powdered sugar.
How about tissue?
Powdered sugar. What?
We put cream cheese in it.
Yeah.
I can taste the cream cheese.
Aliya love it, right?
好吃吗，妹妹？你要不要喝水？Aliya，人家加水对不对？帮你加水，没水。帮你加水。
你加水。
好，那你过去吧。宝宝在旁边，你叫宝宝顺便帮你弄。
哦，你的杯子蛋糕掉了。我要自己装水。
特别吃水。
要自己装。人好吃。偷。
Aliya.
Tastes good.
我喝好多水。
你好棒啊！衣服喝完了。
Tastes pretty good, right?
I got it.